Yo, here we are back at it again. Okay, my friends. So I've been working on this build here, the Amazon build it from scratch from, man, it doesn't tell you who this is from. I believe it is from, no, here, let's get it right. Clever Programmers. So this is from Clever Programmers, and this is a good video. This is a very good video, if I do say so myself. But I ran into a problem. This is at the 2 hour and 15 mark. Now I ran into a couple other problems. It was spelling was an issue where I had to check the spelling. I misspelled class and I just had one S. And I want to say that my other issue was, I can't remember the other issue. But what we're going to do is when I figure out the problem, once I figure out the solution to this problem, I'm going to post a video and link both of those together so that, you know, just in case if anybody else comes up into these problems, you can kind of see what I'm doing. Now, another problem is that it's hard to get help. Like, I posted my problem on this video, but no one has responded. I'm a part of Discords. No one's responding. So it's real hard to get help. So hopefully I can learn what the problem is and how to fix it. And then I can help somebody else. And if you guys have any ideas, please put it in the comment section. So my problem now has to do with the context API. So if let's remove this picture here and get into the code, but then we need to bring this up. So this is the build that I have so far. And as you guys can see, we have the layout, we have the background, we have these elements here. We also, if we click here, we go to our checkout page. If we click back on the Amazon, we go back to the home page. But with the problem is when I wrap, so let's close this, let's get into the code. So here, let's get there. When I wrap the app and then click save, and now when I go back, here, let's go there. As you can see, the screen is blank, right? So the screen is blank, so that's my problem. I'm not really sure why the screen is blank. Now, I wrapped it with the state provider. If we go to our stateprovider.js, we have code there. We have, let's see what else might be. I'm not really sure where the problem is. We have our reducer. So if we go back to the index.js, so we have our reducer initial state, the state provider, the report web vitals. I'm not really I don't believe that this is a part of the problem, but I'm not sure where the problem is, because once I wrap the app, that's when it disappears. So I'm not sure if you guys have any ideas on where the problem may be. I'm going to also be researching myself to see. This is all the way up. So I'm going to research as well, and if I come up with the answer to this problem, I will definitely do a video and post a link in this video, and I will also title it. So hopefully someone has ran into this problem and has come up with a solution and know what to do. Let's see. What we're using JS. I want to say it's whatever the latest version is, as opposed to 10.10.22. So I believe that is 6. We're using here, let's go React DOM. So we're using version 5 of that. I was using 6, and so I had a problem with that, and I just installed version 6. So when I had version 6 set up, that was an issue. So I installed version 5. So that fixed the problem with the switches, where you know now you have to go between routes and routers. So I just switched it to 5, and now I'm using switches again. But I'm not really sure what is the problem now. So if you guys have any issues, or if you ran into this problem and you know what my problem is, why my screen, let's go back so that you guys can see. So this is the problem right here, is that when I wrap the app with the with the state provider, then the app goes blank. So I just have to figure out what is going on with that. So hopefully you guys know, and thank you.